Hello students, today we will see what is a directional coupler and what is the use of directional couplers. Okay, so here the directional coupler is basically a 4-port device, port 1, 2, port 3 and port 4, and after applying the signal for the port any port, and any port will be treated as output port. It will be used for the matching, and circuit is ideally lossless. Ideally lossless means there is no such sort of loss that should be occurred when we have to use the directional coupler inside the waveguides. Actually there must be some sort of loss that should be occurred, but ideally we will say that this directional coupler is a lossless in nature. Directional coupler can be realized It should be realized in microstrip, stripline, coaxial and waveguides. So directional coupler are used for the sampling of signal and used in the distribute property of microwave signals. Okay, so multiple functions are there for directional coupler. Basically it is a lossless in nature. Then it will be used for the matching purpose. Again it will be used for the sampling of signals. Again it will be used for the distributed properties of microwave circuits. So distributed property of microwave circuits. The coupling process generally occurs within a quarter wavelength or multiple quarter wavelength portion of a device. In this distributed couplers, energy and field of another distributed structure coupling signals from one to another are there. Okay, this directional coupler does not rely on the interaction of fields. Any type of fields are there, like E field and H field. It does not interact with any type of fields. Wave between transmission structure to create performance similar to couple line structure, but instead rely on network composed of independent circuit elements. It sometimes required to measure power being delivered to load or antenna through transmission line or waveguides. So it will be also used for the measurement of powers. Measured power that should be from source to load or from generator to load or antenna through transmission line or waveguides. It often done the sampling of signals, input signals, in which calculated function of power is measured so that total may be calculated. In these techniques, only forward wave is measured. Forward means some transmitter is there and some receiver is there. So only forward, that is coming, the wave come from transmitter to receiver, that should be measured. Okay, but the reflected wave does not measure. That should some sort of wave again be reflected back from receiver to transmitter. So that number will not measure. A number of units are available for this purpose and are called directional couplers. So what is the definition of directional coupler? Basically a directional coupler is a 4-port junction device, which has a 4-port. So for this one we have the 4-port, port 1, 2, 3, 4, widely used in microwave system. Already you must know it is a microwave components to satisfy almost any requirement for sampling of incident and reflected microwave power conveniently and accurately without minimum disturbance of transmission line. So basically a directional coupler is a 4-port junction device which is a lossless and basically used to measure the power that should be sampling incident and reflected microwave transmission signals, which will be measured accurately without minimum disturbance in transmission lines. So whenever we have connected this directional coupler inside the waveguide, it will be used to measure the incident power without disturbing of the transmission line signals. Again, it is a electrical component for port. One port is being isolated from the input port. Okay, so directional coupler is a device that samples small amount of microwave power for measurement purpose. The power measurement include incident power, reflected power, VSWR, that is voltage standing wave ratio values, etc. Okay, so what is the basic principle? Here there are the four ports are there: port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. So when wave travel from port 1 to port 2, port 1 to port 2, a fixed fraction of power appear at port 4 and port 3 is there. Okay, so if wave will be travel from 1 to this one to, some sort of power will be occurred at port 4, but no output will be occurred at port 3. Conversely, if wave is traveling from 2 to 1, okay, a fraction of signal will occur at port 3, but no signal will be occurred at a port 4. Okay, so this will be input output, but the measurement of the signal is at the port 3 and port 4. If forward waves are there, power will be measured at port 4, and reverse, that is port 2 to port 1, the signal will be measured at port 3. Okay, when the transmission takes place from port 1 to 2, the port 4 is coupled port and the port 3 is isolator port. So we will say that if wave is traveling from port 1 to port 2, then port 3 will be work as the isolator and port 4 will be work as a coupler. There are different types of directional coupler: coaxial, unidirectional coupler, then waveguide, directional coupler, waveguide, two-hole directional coupler, long slot directional coupler, and Bethe hole directional coupler. Okay, all the terminal are matched to the ports. When power travels from port 1 to port 2, some portion will get coupled at port 4, but no signal will be at port 3. Same conditions. What will be the applications? After completing these, what will be the application of, what will say, directional coupler? In applications, couple the microwave power. It will be used to couple the microwave power. Second one, it is used in VSWR measurement. It is used to measure incident power. It is used also in antenna, radar. It is used to monitor the frequency level, and power level. It is also used in cable TV. Set of for multiple set. It is also used in balanced microwave amplifiers. So these are the basic. So what we will see today? Today we will see what is a directional coupler. The directional coupler is just basically 4 port or 4 junction electrical device used in widely variety of microwave system to satisfy almost any requirement of sampling incident and reflected microwave power conveniently and accurately with minimum disturbance to transmission line. Okay, again it will be used to measure the sampling a signal. It is also used for the distributed property of microwave circuits, and it has a 4 port, means port 1 to port 2 signal will be travel, then the power will be measured at port 4 and no signal will come at port 3. Similarly, port 2 to port 1 signal will be measured at port 3, port 4 will be ideal, so no signal will be measured at port 4. So if signal will be travel from port 1 to port 2, port 3 will be work as an isolator while port 4 will be work as a coupler. Similarly, vice versa, if signal will come from port 2 to port 1, port 3 will be work as a coupler and port 4 will be work as an isolator. Okay, so this is and then afterwards we will see the applications. What is the use of directional coupler in TV set, then VSWR measurement, then incident power measurement, antenna, radar, then couple of microwave powers. Okay, thank you.